So here is how you can install Yahoo Mail on the Android phone. Let me show you how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get us started. So there are more ways how you can use or start using Yahoo Mail on your Android phone. You can use a different mail client for it. For example, people don't realize, but you can literally just go to Gmail, right, and go to your accounts right there. And you can just click on add another account and literally sign in with the Yahoo Mail, which you're going to use through the Google Gmail app, right? You're going to have the @yahoo.com email, but through the Gmail client, right? So that's like the first way you can kind of make that work, right? That's what you're going to do. But if you need a dedicated Yahoo Mail app, you can still get it. Like, you just go to the Play Store, go to the search, and as you can see, I already have that loaded up, but you just go in here and I type in Yahoo Mail as such. It's this purple icon, which you can just install like this, and you will have access to your emails right in here. So you can write new emails, browse the existing ones, and so on. So that's like a nice way to have like a dedicated app for it. So it's going to look like this. You can see Yahoo Mail there. So yeah, I mean, but I'm actually going to show you the whole process. So let me uninstall it as such, right? The app is going to disappear from my device. And now if I return to the Play Store, you can see it's not part of my device. So I can click on install and actually guide you through the process of setting it up, right? So just wait for it to be installed. No problem there. We click on open. And then now we need to decide which email we're actually going to be using it with. So similarly to how you can sign in with Yahoo on a Gmail app, you can also sign in with Google Gmail in the Yahoo app, right? So that's like the first distinction. But let's say that I'm going to sign in with Yahoo as such. All I have to do is just to type in my email address, right? So it's like a brand new one. I created it just for this purpose. You can see it like fills it up as such. And now I have to type in the password, right? So I'm going to just put the phone aside for a while so I can actually type that in. And now, as you can see, once I have the password properly set up, that's how you can install and actually start using the app. It asks you about, I don't know, some notifications, so I'm gonna not allow that. You can choose the default look, whether it's gonna be in the light or dark mode or based on your device. I'm gonna click on next, and you can also sync it with other things, so I'm gonna click on maybe later. And that's how you can basically start using the Yahoo Mail. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Just hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.